Are you ready to uncover the next tech giant that could skyrocket your portfolio? The tech world is brimming with opportunities, but finding the next big winner requires a keen eye and a knack for spotting potential. This is a company that at the forefront of innovation and industry leadership. We're talking about a leader in high-performance computing, a pioneer in adaptive computing, and a giant in the semiconductor industry. Today we're diving deep into the world of high-potential tech stocks and exploring one company that's drawing comparisons to a certain industry titan. If you only watch one video today, make sure you watch this one, all the way till the end. Before we begin, hit that like button. Let's get 1,000 likes on this one. Share the video and leave your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe so you don't miss out on the next important financial investing update. Now let's get started. The tech industry is a dynamic and ever-evolving landscape where innovation reigns supreme. From smartphones to artificial intelligence, technology continues to reshape our world at an unprecedented pace. In this fast-paced environment, companies that can adapt, innovate, and deliver groundbreaking solutions are the ones that thrive. Just think about the rapid rise of mobile technology, the explosion of cloud computing, or the transformative power of artificial intelligence. These technological advancements have not only changed the way we live and work, but have also created incredible opportunities for investors. However, identifying the next big winner in the tech space requires careful analysis, a deep understanding of industry trends, and a willingness to look beyond the obvious. Today, we'll explore one company that's making waves in the tech industry and positioning itself for significant growth in the years to come. In the world of high-performance computing, one company has been steadily gaining ground and challenging the status quo, and that company is Advanced Micro Devices, or AMD. For years, AMD played second fiddle to its larger rival, but in recent times it has emerged as a formidable force, delivering cutting-edge technology and capturing market share. AMD is a global semiconductor company that designs and develops high-performance computing and graphics solutions for a wide range of markets including personal computers, gaming consoles, data centers, and embedded systems. From the powerful CPUs that drive our laptops and desktops to the sophisticated GPUs that render stunning visuals in our favorite games, AMD's technology is everywhere. What sets AMD apart is its relentless pursuit of innovation and its commitment to delivering exceptional performance at competitive prices. The company has consistently pushed the boundaries of what's possible in computing, driving advancements in processor design, graphics rendering, and software optimization. AMD's journey has been marked by both challenges and triumphs. Once considered an underdog in the industry, the company faced stiff competition and financial hurdles. However, through strategic acquisitions, technological breakthroughs, and a renewed focus on its core strengths, AMD has staged a remarkable comeback. One of the key turning points for AMD was its acquisition of ATI Technologies in 2006. This strategic move brought graphics processing expertise in-house, allowing AMD to offer a complete suite of computing solutions, from CPUs to GPUs. Another pivotal moment came with the introduction of its Ryzen series of CPUs in 2017. These processors, based on the company's innovative Zen microarchitecture, delivered a significant leap in performance and efficiency, shaking up the industry and putting pressure on its competitors. AMD's commitment to innovation is deeply ingrained in its DNA. The company invests heavily in research and development, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible in computing technology. This dedication to innovation has resulted in a string of groundbreaking products that have redefined industry standards. From the world's first x86 64-bit processor to the first 7-nanometer GPU, AMD has consistently been at the forefront of technological advancements. Its processors power everything from the latest gaming consoles, the PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series XS, to high-performance computing clusters used in scientific research and artificial intelligence development. This legacy of innovation and performance has not gone unnoticed. AMD's resurgence has captured the attention of investors and industry analysts alike, with many recognizing its potential to become a dominant force in the rapidly growing tech landscape. Now let's dive into the heart of the matter and examine what really makes AMD tick its financial performance. Numbers don't lie, and in AMD's case, they paint a compelling picture of a company on the rise. We'll break down key metrics like market cap, EPS, PE ratio, revenue, and net income, providing you with a clear understanding of AMD's financial health and growth potential. Remember, investing is not just about gut feelings, it's about making informed decisions based on solid data. So grab your calculators and let's crunch some numbers to see why AMD is turning heads on Wall Street and beyond. First up, let's talk about market cap. AMD's market cap currently stands at a whopping $188,160 million. Now, what does that actually mean? In simple terms, it represents the total value of all outstanding shares of AMD stock. A large market cap like AMD's indicates that the company is well established and holds significant value in the eyes of investors. It's a testament to the trust and confidence that the market has in AMD's future prospects. But that's not all. A growing market cap, as we see with AMD, suggests that investors are optimistic about the company's ability to generate future earnings and increase its overall value over time. It's a positive sign for those looking to invest in a company with long-term growth potential. Next, let's zoom in on AMD's revenue and net income, two crucial indicators of a company's financial performance. In 2023, AMD generated a revenue of $22,680,000,000. This impressive figure represents the total amount of money AMD generated from its operations during that period. It reflects the demand for AMD's products and its ability to convert that demand into sales. Now let's look at the bottom line, net income. In 2023, AMD reported a net income of $854 million. This figure represents the company's profit after deducting all its expenses from its revenue. A healthy net income, as seen with AMD, is a strong indication of a company's profitability and its ability to generate value for its shareholders. When it comes to AMD, several key factors play a role in shaping its stock price. These include the performance of its product segments, fierce competition, especially from NVIDIA, ongoing technological advancements, and the overall market demand for semiconductors in data centers and consumer electronics. The company's primary revenue drivers are its data center, client, and gaming segments. Notably, AMD has seen impressive growth in its data center revenues thanks to the increasing adoption of its EPYC processors and AI-related products. So, what does the future hold for AMD? In the short term, the outlook remains strong. The company's data center sector is expected to generate over $5 billion in revenue in 2024, underscoring the surging demand for AI and high-performance computing solutions. Additionally, AMD's upcoming MI325X GPU launch could significantly strengthen its competitive edge. Looking further ahead, the industry's shift toward AI presents even greater opportunities. The AI accelerator market is projected to be worth around $500 billion by 2028, and AMD is well positioned to claim a share of that massive growth. However, no investment comes without risks. The semiconductor market is fiercely competitive, and AMD faces significant challenges from industry giants like NVIDIA and Intel. Geopolitical factors such as tensions affecting supply chain stability in key semiconductor manufacturing regions could also create hurdles. On top of that, economic conditions impacting consumer demand for tech products could affect AMD's financial performance. AMD is strategically positioned within high-growth sectors, presenting strong potential for future gains. But investors should remain mindful of competitive pressures and geopolitical uncertainties that could influence the company's long-term stability. One more thing worth pointing out, according to our forecaster stock analysis AI terminal, one particular Republican politician, Marjorie Taylor Greene of Georgia, has been secretly loading up on AMD stock since January this year. Does she know something you don't know? I'm also a buyer of AMD stock at this current price level. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, or should we say, the graphics card on the motherboard. The comparison between AMD and NVIDIA is inevitable, especially when we're talking about high-potential tech stocks. Both companies operate in the same competitive landscape, vying for dominance in the CPU and GPU markets. But what's fascinating is that their stories share some striking similarities. Both companies have gone through periods of underdog status, facing intense competition from industry giants. Both have proven their resilience, bouncing back with innovative products and strategic moves that have propelled them to the forefront of the tech world. So, are we looking at a classic case of history repeating itself? Is AMD poised to follow in NVIDIA's footsteps and become the next tech titan? Let's delve deeper into their growth trajectories and valuations to find out. To understand if AMD truly has the potential to mirror NVIDIA's success, we need to examine their growth stories. NVIDIA, once known primarily for its gaming GPUs, strategically expanded into data centers, artificial intelligence, and automotive, capitalizing on emerging trends and diversifying its revenue streams. AMD, while also a major player in gaming, has been aggressively targeting data centers with its EPYC server CPUs, gaining significant market share and challenging Intel's dominance. This strategic move into a high-growth market mirrors NVIDIA's successful expansion beyond gaming. Both companies have demonstrated an ability to adapt, innovate, and capture market share in key growth areas. This parallel trajectory in their growth stories suggests that AMD might indeed be on a similar path to NVIDIA, albeit at an earlier stage. Valuation is another crucial aspect to consider when comparing these two tech giants. NVIDIA, with its meteoric rise, currently commands a premium valuation, reflecting its market dominance and future growth prospects. AMD, while also experiencing significant growth, trades at a more modest valuation, which could present an attractive opportunity for investors looking to get in on the ground floor of the next potential tech superstar. However, it's important to note that valuation is just one piece of the puzzle. Investors should consider a holistic view of the companies, including their financial health, competitive positioning, management teams, and overall market outlook, before making any investment decisions. While the parallels between AMD and NVIDIA are compelling, it's essential to recognize that they are distinct companies with their own strengths, weaknesses, and opportunities. NVIDIA has a strong foothold in artificial intelligence and automotive, while AMD excels in high-performance computing and data center CPUs. Moreover, the competitive landscape is constantly evolving, with new players emerging and existing players vying for market share. Factors such as technological advancements, industry consolidation, and geopolitical events can significantly impact the performance of both companies. Therefore, while the comparison to NVIDIA provides a useful framework for understanding AMD's potential, investors should avoid making investment decisions solely based on historical comparisons. A thorough analysis of AMD's fundamentals, its competitive positioning, and the overall market outlook is crucial for making informed investment choices. Now, before we continue our deep dive into AMD and its potential, let's take a step back and talk about a concept that's crucial for any investor, especially those looking for the next big winner undervalued stocks. You see, identifying companies with strong fundamentals and growth potential is only half the battle. The real key to maximizing your returns lies in finding these companies when they're trading below their intrinsic value. In other words, when they're undervalued. Think of it like this. You wouldn't want to buy a house at twice its market value, would you? The same principle applies to stocks. Buying undervalued stocks allows you to maximize your potential returns while minimizing your risk. Now, I want to introducing you to Forecaster, my secret weapon for stock picking. You can find hidden gems and undervalued stocks with Forecaster. Use sophisticated algorithms and data analytics to identify high-growth potential stocks. Try Forecaster for free today. Click the link in the description and use code GALORE10 for a discount. Forecaster could be the smartest investment decision you make today. As we look ahead, AMD's future appears bright, fueled by its strong position in several key growth markets. The demand for high-performance computing is only going to increase, driven by trends like cloud computing, artificial intelligence, and the metaverse. AMD, with its powerful CPUs and GPUs, is well positioned to capitalize on this growing demand. Its EPX server CPUs have already made significant inroads in the data center market, challenging Intel's long-standing dominance. Furthermore, AMD's recent acquisition of Xilinx, a leader in adaptive computing, opens up new avenues for growth in areas like artificial intelligence, 5G infrastructure, and automotive. This strategic move allows AMD to offer a wider range of solutions, catering to a broader customer base and strengthening its competitive edge. So is AMD the next NVIDIA? While no one can predict the future with certainty, AMD's trajectory suggests that it has the potential to achieve similar levels of success. Its strong financial performance, commitment to innovation, and strategic acquisitions have positioned it as a formidable force in the tech industry. However, it's important to remember that the tech landscape is highly competitive and subject to rapid change. AMD faces challenges from established players like Intel and NVIDIA, as well as emerging companies in the semiconductor space. Ultimately, AMD's success will depend on its ability to continue innovating, execute its strategy effectively, and adapt to the ever-changing demands of the market. Investors looking to capitalize on AMD's potential should carefully consider both the opportunities and risks before making any investment decisions. AMD's journey from underdog to industry contender is a testament to innovation and strategic decision-making. AMD's current trajectory suggests it could join tech titans like NVIDIA. Strong financials and strategic acquisitions position AMD as a formidable force. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires careful research and a long-term perspective. Join the StocksGalore Patreon for exclusive tips and analysis. Head over to patreon.com/StocksGalore and become part of our community. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, happy investing.